My mom warned me about you. Sabi niya, one day, didiktahan ka niya at mawawalan ka na ng sarili mong choice. I did not listen. My thoughts? Moms will be moms. Walang sasapat para sa kanila when it comes to their own child. But you started changing the way I dress. You asked me for my passwords kahit hanggang sa game. You started throwing replies sa mga girls na nasa friends list ko and started answering my calls for me. And the worst part of it all? You told your friends that my mom treats you unpleasant kahit kasama mo ako. I love you. But that is not how you treat another woman, especially your boyfriend's mom. GF pa lang kita, hindi asawa, ganyan ka na. My family deserves better. Pak. Yung ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakabasa mo sabay, pak. Pero sa totoo lang, di ba? If you found a person that will not respect your family, no matter how chaotic your family may be, then lose that person. You deserve someone better, agad-agad, instantly, automatically, and your family, totoo ka dyan, Alex, deserves better. My love, when you are in a relationship with someone, you are not just trying to build a relationship with him or her. You are also trying to build a relationship with their family. So parang it's a whole package. Just like how you want your partner na hindi lang mahalin ka, hindi lang i-embrace ka at yung pagkatao mo, kung hindi yung buong pamilya mo din. You want your partner to get along with your family. You want both blessing, family mo at family niya. That's how you, sabihin na natin, how you quantify or qualify how a successful relationship can be. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, my love, and it has been said sa multiple words of wisdom na mga videos, no man is an island. No relationship stands alone against the world. You need allies with you to support your relationship. And there's no better ally in this world than your family. So kung yung partner mo ay walang respeto sa pamilya mo, obviously, wala siyang respeto sa iyo. And it shows. Diba? If your partner is trying to change you for the person that you are not. Iba kasi yung encouraging you to be better eh. Iba yung changing you for your own sake than changing you for what he or she wants. Iba yung binabago ka para umalwal ka sa buhay, para din sa ikabubuti mo. Iba yung binabago ka accordingly sa how they want you to be. It's like they love you as long as you meet the certain criteria of a ideal boyfriend or girlfriend para sa kanila. Obviously, hindi ka din niya nire-respeto because she is invading your space. If your partner is not giving you space, privacy, hindi ino-honor kung ano yung iyo, kumbaga nag-go overboard sila. My love, that is a sign of disrespect. Why? Kasi all the healthy relationship, my love, they respect privacy. Kaya nga 'di ba sinasabi natin, kung gusto niyo po ng healthy relationship, do not exchange passwords. Huwag kayong makipag-exchange ng passwords sa mga partners ninyo kasi that is just an excuse to be disrespectful to your partner. Yung tipong pag may nakita ka lang doon na hindi mo nagustuhan yung timbre, yung tono ng pananalita, bibigyan mo na siya ng meaning. Magiging source lang siya of conflict ng relationship ninyo. And the worst part of it all ay yung partner mo smearing yung image ng family member mo nang kaharap ka sa side niya, either friends niya or family niya. That is a complete disrespect sa'yo. And of course, in a relationship, if there's no more respect, if hindi ino-honor yung respeto sa isa't isa, then that is not a healthy relationship. That is a toxic one. And you have to find your way out as soon as possible. Good riddance yan, Alex. Maybe one day she'll learn her boundaries. Or one day, makatapat siya ng tao na gagawin yung same thing sa kanya. Babaguhin siya for what she is not, or i-invade yung privacy niya, or this time around yung side niya naman ang i-mock in front of their friends or family para magkaroon siya ng taste of her own medicine. But siguro ang magandang lesson na lang sa kanya, if ever na one day karma will eventually work, is for her to see you happy. See you happy with someone who respects you, who loves you just the way you are, and loves your family as well. Kasi, totoo naman wala talagang magulang na talaga 100% gusto nila yung mamanugangin nila. Gusto nila yung magiging daughter-in-law nila 100%. Gusto nila yung son-in-law nila 100%. Of course, they will have their standards of who should date their kids. Kasi sila nagpalaki sa'yo Sila nagpakahirap sa'yo. For the longest time, they took the responsibility of raising you to the person that you are today. So, bigyan natin sila ng say. Kung sino yung makakasama natin. Pwede naman sila magbigay ng opinion but of course, the last decision will be yours. Pero at least man lang, let's find partners who will respect our parents. Actually, hindi nga dapat least yan Dapat nasa top yan ng priority ninyo if you are trying to find a decent partner. Dapat unang-una yan, a partner that will respect your family. Kasi that is a sign that your partner will respect you as well. So sa mga kabisyo natin, huwag kayong magsettle for someone who is not willing to love your family just as much as they love you. No matter how chaotic yung mga pamilya ng Pinoy, we all deserve to be loved. Fully. With all the extensions and expansions ng pagmamahal na yun, we deserve that kind of love. So do not settle for anything less. Claro? Claro.